Well, for those of us that read the Belleville Light Current this week in the event section, there was this Tri-County two-cylinder club show at the Ace Hardware on Sumpter. And that's where I'm at right now. Let's go check out the show. Okay, I'm standing at this John Deere tractor that belongs to Nancy and Brian Shepard. Nancy, you purchased this tractor for Brian?
Yes, for his 50th birthday.
Wow. And then what condition was it in, Brian, when you got it?
Very, very rough.
Yeah. And
but it looked like it had some life in it. We just had to find it, that's all.
Well, you sure brought the life back into it. It looks absolutely beautiful. How long did this take to refurbish?
Calendar time, it took 364 days.
Okay.
If you pushed all
just
the time,
short of a year, huh?
Yep, exactly. We started it on July 7th and we finished it on July 6th.
Wow, you're not kidding. 364 days?
Yeah, if you pushed all the time together, on a 40-hour work week, it took us 5 months.
You did a nice job. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. We're real proud of it.
You should get every kind of tractor in terms of size, from big to little. And then as we go down further, I think we'll see that there's also some different brands here. A lot of John Deere's at this end of the show. This is great to see, though. Wow. If you like tractors, this is a thing of beauty. You've got Ford Motor Company and their tractors represented here. Wouldn't that be fun to drive? Here's an old Ford 8N. I used to own one of these a few years ago. That's a nice looking tractor. Wow, look at this Case tractor. It looks like brand new. It's a 1943 Case tractor. It's completely been reconditioned. Wow, how nice is that? Beautiful. It's a beautiful Farmall Cub. Is this your tractor?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Did you recondition it yourself?
My son and I did.
It's beautiful. Nice job.